Hello there, my name is Julie and I am a beauty influencer with a wonderful company called Pharmacy. I've already put my face on today because I had to run out the door and get ready this morning, but I didn't have time to put on my lashes. So today I'm going to show you how to put on false lashes after you've already had your eye makeup done. Everything is complete. This is a different step in putting lashes on. You don't put them on the top, you put them on the bottom, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that today. The first thing you need to do is find you some lashes that you like. This is the one that I had cut in half. What I do is only put the lashes from the center of my eyes out, okay? So I've already cut the ones that I want to use here. These are the remaining ones that I don't want to use because I don't want to use this part here because it just makes your eyelashes look more fake. So instead of, normally we would put eyelashes on top right here and put the glue on the bottom. We are going to put the glue on the top of the lash, okay? So I have my glue here. I'm going to put a little bit of the glue on the top here and kind of let that get tacky, okay? Let that sit for a little bit, let that get tacky. Now the other thing I'm going to do, the first step, like if you don't already have your eyes done, is put some mascara on your lashes because you want the glue to adhere to your lashes. I've already done that, so what I'm going to do now is you can stick the spoolie down in the container if you want to, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to put the glue right here on my spoolie here, okay? I'm not going to stick it in. And then I'm going to use that to put the glue on the lashes where they're going to be, okay? Then I'm going to take my lashes here and I am going to apply them underneath my lashes here, okay? I'm going to stick them to the lashes that I have right there. Now I'm going to take this little thing that came in, this comes in most all lashes, is a little crimper. I'm going to take the crimper and just crimp the lashes to my lashes there, okay? And just let that set for just a little bit, okay? All right. So your lashes are on. So you do not see the lashes. It does not mess up your eyeshadow at all. Your lashes are attached to the bottom underneath your regular lashes. How cool is that, y'all? So much easier, so much easier. And then you don't have the whole lash coming all the way over. And what I couldn't stand before is having that little piece stick you in the corner. So what I'm gonna do now is go back over these lashes because I want my real ones to blend in with the fake ones. So I'm gonna go in right here. And put those together. There we go. Kind of go on top there. Put your eyelashes on there. There we go, girls. Easy as 1, 2, 3. It didn't take no time at all. Your lashes are on there. You can't even tell that they're on. You can't even feel them being on. Okay, so let's do the other one. Let's do the other one. Like I said, I've already cut them to size. I kind of already measured from the middle of my eye over to where I wanted to use them. So the first step you would do is put some mascara, a thin layer of mascara on. But I had already gotten ready for the day earlier today, so I already have mascara on. Normally a little bit, I would do less mascara to begin with, but you know, I already had my face on today. So I'm going to, instead of putting it on the bottom lash like you normally would underneath, because you would put it on top, we're putting it on underneath. So we're gonna go in on the top of the lashes and put the glue on the top of the lash. and then just let it sit for a second to kind of get, you know, tacky a little bit. And then use your little spoolie here that you have. Get your little spoolie and put some glue on your spoolie. Just, you can put your spoolie down in your glue if you want to, but it's a waste of it because you don't use the whole amount. So, wherever you put the glue on the spoolie, just do your lashes like you're putting on mascara. Come in here and let's see. This one's always a little bit more trickier for me. For some reason, it's trickier. I think it's the angle in which it is. Okay, so then I'm going to use my little crimper. I can get them up in there. And just smash them together. Okay. Smash them together. So there we go. So you don't have to mess up your line at all. Then I'm gonna let that sit for just a minute, and I like to get my finger like this too, and kind of like press them up into my lashes. Okay. How cool is that, girls? I'm hoping that helps you. All right. So, and then I'm gonna get some mascara and then go over and just blend the two. Put some more over here. I kind of focus on the ones, my real ones, more so than the fake ones. Trying to get more on there just to kind of blend the two together. There we go. There we go, girls. They look so much more real than the whole strip. There they are, honey. Look. Y'all. So much better. Game changer. You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.